Hello everyone, so this is going to be a video more about 3D printing, and for those who are not interested in it, by all means switch off, but for those who are, this is going to be kind of my little run through of how I got the Octopi or Octoprint to work with Cura 3.2.1 and the steps that I needed to go through. So I'm quite happy to use Tinkercad. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick cylinder, nothing fancy. Let's just make it a little tiny one just for the sake of it. Just going to use this guy now. So there we go, we've got a nice little cylinder, 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. So all I want to do now is export that, export it as an STL. So I've got my file. So in fact, just an FYI, don't open it. So all I want to do is go into Cura, click on open. This is all my downloaded files. So you can see I've just done that now. Open it. Hey presto, there's the cylinder. Now the next part, what I'll do is I'll just run through what I've got set as my printer, and this is for the CTC clone MakerBot. So I'll manage my printer. What I've got and what catches, well, what helped me out is you've got to have your X width of 225, your Y is 145, ZXS 150, build plate rectangular, origin center and heated bed. Now down here I've got my own specific Gcode start, because generally if you have the normal one it just doesn't work quite right, but these are all fine and I'll just show you what I do anyway. So what I'll do is I'll close that, close. Obviously it does all the parts, so this is going to take about 9 minutes to do. Let's take it down to 0.2. So all the functionality within here is all available. So it's got 5 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll click Save to File. I'll call it Cura 3.2.1 Octopi Gcode. So what I'll do is I'll save that. That's done. Now what I then do is I'll just open up downloads. That. And this part here below is all the elements that I've had, sorry, up to there is all my Gcode that I've put on. I'll put this in the description so you can copy and paste. The only real ones that I play around with is very much the bed temperature, the 95 and the 260 for my ABS. I take all this out. And the only one thing that I've noticed in here is, and I'm not too sure as yet, but if I change the M207, that somehow helps something. I've had a load of problems beforehand, but I'll figure that out. But this gets it to work. So what I'll do is click on Save, and that's it. Then all I'll do is I'll go back, connect to my Octoprint, so the usual kind of connected via your local or IP address. So that's now connected. I upload. I've got my Cura 123 Octopi. Click on OK. And then what I'll do is try to remember what I've just called it. There we go. And click on print. So now we can see with the Octopi it's going to heat the bed up, which, let's see if I can just get you on there. So it's going up to 95. This is where we wait Which you can see, I still need to sort out the slamming to the side, but I'll get round to that. So there we go. That's how to get it printed away. So I hope you found that useful. I wouldn't say I'm an expert on this, but I'll give anything a bash. So fingers crossed that'll help you out. Thanks a lot.